Music families, it's summer of 2023, and if you were here last year, this works kind of the same way, but if you're new, this video is going to help you understand how summer lessons work, what fun stuff we do, how to sign up for individual a la carte lessons throughout the summer, and all that good stuff. So let's go. First of all, the dates for the summer are June 7th to August 11th. So during that time period, you won't come at your regular time unless you want to, and unless it's available. You're going to sign up for lessons throughout the summer at the time and day that's convenient for you. These lessons are called a la carte, which means you schedule them as needed. They're not pre-scheduled. You can schedule in as little as 12 hours in advance for your lessons. In order for you to be able to pay the same amount this summer instead of it being more, I don't want you to have to pay more in the summer. We have a limit to the number of lessons that you can do in the summer. So you can do 5 private lessons, 5 individual lessons, plus 2 special group lessons in the summer, making it 7 lessons overall that you can attend in the summer of 2023. Because you are the one that's scheduling each lesson individually, next I'm going to show you exactly how to do that from the EBN Music website. So let's do that. Alright guys, here's how to sign up for summer lessons. So you can go to my website, ebnmusic.com, and you're going to click on click to log in to my music staff. All right, enter your email and password. If you have forgotten it, just click forgot password because you should have one. Just use the email that me and you communicate with. All right, it's going to open this up, and then you should see the calendar as your first page, but if you don't, just come over here to the side and then you can click calendar. And by the way, I will give these instructions for a phone as well. All right, so just scroll over here. We'll go to June, and here we go. So here's our a la carte lessons. You're going to see all of these listed. The first thing you need to know is whether you are a 30-minute student or a 45-minute student. So some of these have 30 minutes, like this, 2 to 2:30, and some of them are 45. Just be sure to double check that. So let's say that I'm a 30-minute student. I like the 2 to 2:30. I'm going to click register. And then especially if you have more than one child, be sure to do this for each child. So I'll do this one for Caleb. And be sure to check register for only this a la carte. Don't check the register recurring because it's going to have you do that for every week, and you can only have 5 individual lessons. So just click the one there, and you're going to click register, and then you're good to go. And then the student's name will be right there. All right, if you like your children back to back, so if I have a child who, I want back to back, I can do this one for Gabe, register for only this one, and there you go, I've registered. There's 2 more scenarios. Some of you take hour lessons, 1-hour lessons, and some of you take an 1.5-hour lessons. So of course, for the hour, you're just gonna do 2 30 minutes back to back. For the 1.5-hour, you're going to do 2 45 minutes back to back. There are 2 weeks of group lessons this summer, and so you're going to find those on the week of July 10th and the week of August 7th. So be sure when you look on this calendar, so you've got so some of them are in-person piano, in-person voice. Then you have online piano and online voice. So I teach 4 different kinds of lessons. Just be sure you're clicking on the right one. You're just going to register them the exact same way. Register for Caleb there, and if you have children, you can register them for the same one, the same group lesson here. So even if they're different ages, you can do that. So I did Caleb on this one, and then it's automatically, since I have more than one child, it's telling me, I want to register for Gabe, and it's yes. And so there you go. Now it says 2 out of 4 are taken. If your child takes both piano and voice, feel free to register for both a piano and a voice. And you can do 2 of each, 2 piano, 2 voice. So like I said, there's the week of July 10th, and then I go over here to August, and then you have the same thing. You can register for another one. So you can register for 2 different group lessons on 2 different weeks. If you need to cancel a lesson for any reason, just click up here where it says search, and you can click show full events and uncheck open slots because that will show you the actual lessons that you are scheduled for. So there's my individual lessons, and then I see here that that's my group lesson. That's an easier way to find what you scheduled. So if you need to cancel, it's very easy. Just click cancel, and you can always write me a note as to why. I do have up here, if you can cancel at least 24 hours, that helps me and helps other people sign up within the 12-hour. And just remember that missed lessons, I don't give videos or make them up in the summer. You can just simply reschedule that lesson for another time in the summer. On the phone, it's the same thing. Just go to my website, EBN Music, and you're gonna log into my music staff here with the same way. All right, so you're gonna log in here, and then, yep, it should take you to the calendar, but again, if it doesn't, just come here to the top left, and you can just check calendar. Okay, hover much the same way. These dots means that there are lessons that you can choose there, so you're gonna scroll down, and I see there's a 2:30. I can click register, and I kind of do this the same way. Register just for this a la carte. Cancellations are also the same way. Just click show full events here, and then it will just show you the dots are the things that only you have signed up for. And then of course you can see the vacation days as well, which is helpful. So yeah, if you need to cancel, you just click cancel lesson and same thing. Plus, the system will send you an email and a text message 2 days in advance in case you forgot or if you need to cancel. So that way you don't have to write it down on your calendar. You should be reminded 2 days before your lesson. You can also cancel a lesson at any time. Please give at least 24 hours in advance so somebody else could snag that lesson time within the 12-hour time frame. But if you cancel a lesson, there's no makeup lessons, and I don't send a video like I usually do for the regular school year, because you can just reschedule this lesson yourself and you can sign up for another day and time. Lessons do not have to be once a week. You can schedule the lessons back to back. If you know you're going to be gone a lot in the summer, you might just have 1 or 2 weeks that's available to get them done. And so feel free to go ahead and do that. And also, if you do not want to do a group lesson for any reason, you can just sign up for more individual lessons up to the 7. Of course, if you have any questions, you know how to reach me, text, email, whatever. I'll be sure to help you out with it. So now that you know how to sign up for the summer, let's talk about what summer lessons are like. Basically, they're just like regular lessons, but we do have a special friendly competition throughout the summer. It's called the Summer Quest. Students can do different things throughout the summer to earn points, and I keep up with the points here in the studio. I'll be sure to update you, especially the online students. I'll send you a video on where your crown is up the board. And so at the end of the summer, whoever has the most points gets a special prize. It has been suggested to maybe have a gift card. So maybe the top 3 get to choose a gift card that they want. And then the top 10 will get a nice medal. And if you can get at least 50 points, most of you will be able to do that. At least 50 points in the summer, you get a nice Summer Quest pin. Basically, we'll just keep doing our regular thing. If we're working on a specific song or anything like that, we're just going to keep doing that in the summer. We just get some extra points for doing extra stuff. It's a little incentive. The group lessons are a lot of fun too. So if you come in person, you'll just come like you usually do. If you're an online student, you log in like you usually do, and you get to meet some other students. We play games, we learn something new, do some rhythm activities. And if you're in person, we might even get to go outside to do a game depending on the weather. So it's just something fun, something extra in the summer that's a lot of fun. And then lastly, I touched on this a little bit earlier. Your payment for the summer is exactly the same. Nothing changes with your payment. And you might be thinking, well, it seems like maybe I'm getting less lessons than usual. You might be getting less lessons, but that's because the lessons are more valuable, because you get to schedule them as needed, as an a la carte basis. 12 hours in advance, and that's it. So the cost comes with the convenience, and then also the bonus group lessons that cost a little more, and that's how it all evened out for you to pay the exact same in the summer, so nothing changes at all. All right, guys, that's the basics of summer lessons. That starts on June 7th, and I cannot wait. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time. Bye.